Alright guys, this is Dwipen and this one Nifty and daily chart. Very interesting market today. So let me show you in a 15-minute chart. So first here price open a gap up somewhere there and goes up around 12 p.m. price start falling from this area. So why it happened? Let me show you very interesting news. So I'm using this one. This is called a bar chart. So here you can see federal policy will push the US economy into recession. So first criteria, and the second criteria, automaker and commodity company are leading losses to the pre-market session in US. So after that, in Indian market and Asian market, or we can say all over the world, price start falling from this area. So let's see in a daily time frame. Yesterday, as I told, they form a bullish signal. First the price goes up and again pull back. So still I'm not that much bearish because price not able to break this supporting line. So let me show you. Okay, so here I can see recent rejection point somewhere here, and let me show you somewhere there. Very interesting level, this one. Okay, so here I drawn a horizontal line by connecting swing point. So here I can see price was rejecting and a multiple rejection from this area around 15,700. Okay, so right now price around 15,000, almost 800. So means 15,700 is a strong support. So basically I'm looking for short after breaking this 15,700. Okay, so my next target will be around 15,200. Okay, now let me show you in a small time frame like H1. Here I can see this on H1 chart. Let's find out some support and resistance. So first support we have seen that one, and then next let me show you a resistance line. So here I can see this one resistance line around 15,800. that is a resistance line, and in between this area we have seen 100 pips. But as an intraday trader, let me show you in a 15-minute time frame. Let me draw some rejection point. Okay, perfect. Somewhere here around 15,750 means I'm looking for buy above 15,750 and looking for short below this area. So next the target will be here. If price open gap up and form any bullish signal, so definitely we'll go for buy above this level. So here I can see no direction, price are running everywhere. All right, so you just find out some support and resistance and just enter according to your trading setup. Bank, Nifty bank. Okay, Nifty bank. What is the Nifty bank? Okay, let me show you Nifty bank also same, and find out some support and resistance. Okay, price broke this resistance line and goes up. Finally price not able to break this resistance line. Then let me find out, let me draw some support and resistance. So first exactly near supporting line, so multiple rejection. Another rejection is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, and another resistance line. So let me find out. Yeah, so this is my trading setup for Bank Nifty, and let me show you H1 chart. So definitely I'll trade in between these ranges. So here I'm looking for buy above 3380. I'm looking for buy, and I'm looking for short below this 3380, and the next target will be 3380. 3150. All right, that will be my target, and upper side around 34680, that will be my target. So you just use your trading strategy and find out this range. Okay, so means we are looking for buy above 33,800 and a sell below 33,800. Okay, so and the target is according to this support and resistance. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.